Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I want to show you how to create a normal chart by count of values in Excel. Let's say you have a stationery table and you want to create a chart by the occurrences of the stationaries in Excel. This method will guide you to create a normal column chart by the count of values in Excel. Select the stationery column you will create a chart based on. Press Ctrl C keys to copy it. Select a blank cell and press Ctrl V keys to paste the selected column. Keep the pasted column selected. Click the Data tab. In the Data Tools group, click the Remove Duplicates. In the Remove Duplicates warning dialog, check the Continue with the current selection. Click the Remove Duplicates. In the Remove Duplicates dialog, click the OK button. Now the Microsoft Excel dialog box comes out. Please click the OK button to close it. Select the blank cell besides the first cell value of the pasted column and type the following formula: COUNTIF, press Tab. Select your data range, hold Shift Ctrl arrow key down. Press F4 key to lock your data range. Type comma, and in the criteria select cell E2. Close the bracket, press Enter, and then drag the autofill handle down to other cells. In this formula, as you can see, range A2, A20 is the stationaries column in source data, and E2 is the first unique value in the pasted column. Select both the pasted column and the formula column. Click the Insert tab. In the Charts group, click the Insert column or bar chart and select Clustered column under 2D. Now the clustered column chart is created based on the occurrences of each value. As you can see here, you can add data labels as well. You can remove the axis. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.